Disclaimer. This video is made for educational purposes only. I do not support or promote any violation of platform policies. Always follow Instagram's terms of service before creating, managing, or selling accounts.
Hey guys, how are you all doing? Hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, I will show you how to do Instagram 2FA work and how you can earn from it. So let's get started. First, open the InstaEarner bot. Tap on the Start button. You'll see a few options. Click on Language. Select English from the list. Then click on Tasks. After that, tap on Instagram Task. And finally, hit Instagram 2FA. After that, you will be given the details to create an account, including the full name, username, and password. Make sure to copy all of these carefully. Do not type them manually, because even a small mistake can cause problems later. So just copy and keep them safe. Now open Instagram or Instagram Lite. Then tap on Create New Account. If you are creating an account using a temp mail or email, click on Sign Up with Email. But in my case, I'm using a number from a number bot, so I will click on Sign Up with Mobile Number. Now open the number bot. Tap on the Start button. Join all the required channels. Then click on I have joined all three. Once verification is successful, you will see several options on your screen. From there, click on Get Number. Next, select Instagram. Now choose any country number you prefer. In my case, I selected Germany. After that, click on the number to use it. Now go back and open Instagram. Paste the number you copied, then click on Next. If you don't receive a code, tap on I didn't get the code. Then click on Resend Confirmation Code. If you see a message like, we can't send SMS to this mobile number right now, don't worry. That usually means the code has already been sent to the bot. Now open the number bot and wait for about 5 minutes. You should receive the OTP there. Once you get it, copy the OTP. Then go back to Instagram and paste the OTP. Click on Next. Now enter the password you copied from the InstaEarner bot. Click Next again. After that, select your date of birth. Make sure it is 18+. Click Next. Now InstaEarner bot. Then remove the default username and paste the username from the bot. Click Next. Finally, tap on I agree.
Now tap on Add Picture and choose any profile picture you like. Then tap on Done. After that, click on Next. When you see the permission pop up, tap on Don't Allow. Now click on Skip, and yes, skip again. Next, follow at least 3 to 5 accounts. Then tap on Next. After that, click on Skip, and once again, skip. Now go to your profile and tap on the profile icon. Then tap on the 3 lines at the top. Go to Account Center. Next, tap on Password and Security. Then select Two-Factor Authentication. Now tap on your Instagram username. Authentication app will already be selected, so just tap Next. Then click on Copy Key. Now open the InstaEarner bot. Tap on the Set 2FA button. Paste the key you copied from Instagram and send it. You will receive a code. Copy that code. Now go back to Instagram and tap on Enter Code. Paste the code from the bot and click Next. Then tap Done. Now open the InstaEarner bot again and click on Submit Account. And that's it. Your work is done.
Just follow the steps exactly as shown in this video. All the important links are available in the video description. If this helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, everyone.